one of the key things that I really like to highlight with surgeons is when we needle, we are flipping the switch in the immune system. We're causing what are called M1 macrophages, which are inflammatory, to flip into M2, which are anti-inflammatory. Now, that pathway from inflammation to reduce inflammation, that pathway also is a tissue regeneration pathway, which means post-operatively, when you incorporate acupuncture, you're optimizing remodeling of that area that had surgery. So it is in their best interest, the patient, to get acupuncture post-operatively to optimize, to increase the effects of the remodeling, the improvement of the tissue itself, so they can rehab through it. So that's where I say signal amplifier. It optimizes and primes the body so that whatever modality you're using, it's just simply going to work better.
Mm.
Bottom line, it's going to work better. And it does. And I've seen this for years. I was waiting for the research to come out. And when it came out, that's where I jumped on and created the book. You put the book together so that our doctors and our patients really see the value of acupuncture, not as an alternative, but as a force multiplier. And that's the primary
Mm.
focus there. Yeah.
Yeah, the one thing I was thinking of, when you were saying, someone possibly won't need as much medication or the medication might work better,
hmm
I was thinking, what does that do when you take on macro and micronutrients?
And that's a wonderful question because, when we talk about optimization, we're talking about optimization not only of the area of the injury, and it's important because patients come into our facility and they're coming in for neck pain. They think of us as the neck pain doctors. They don't see beyond that. And that makes sense because we live in a specialized field of medicine. But again, the body doesn't work in silos. So when a patient comes in and we assess them and they are having a chronic neck condition and they are having digestive issues, we know right away that their absorption capacity for proteins that get, converted into anti-inflammatories, tissue rebuilding are not going to be optimized. We are going to incorporate needling acupuncture for points to help optimize gut function. So that's a person that we see right away that they need support. Now, when we're treating patients, we're always thinking about how do we optimize the delivery of resources to the location. So when it comes to micronutrients, digestion, if you're not improving digestive resources, you're going to have a reduced effect on the neck recovery. So we're always thinking local and systemic. So optimizing, improving the body's ability to get resources is essential. So any kind of delivery of nutrients in the body through oral or medications are going to get delivered to that area more effectively with acupuncture.
Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.